Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with another update to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. Everything's remained the same for a large part. Everything's remained the same since the midday update. However, as of the late afternoon update, the Storm Prediction Center has added a second enhanced risk area for today, for Day 1. As of the midday update, the SPC has added a second enhanced risk area, which covers southern Michigan. Alright? This enhanced risk area remains the same, and so is the rest of the outlook. So, cities and cities enhanced include Detroit, Michigan, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Warren, Michigan. Cities in the slight today include New York, New York, Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And the marginals include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Washington, D.C., Nashville, Tennessee, and Kansas City, Missouri. Going to today's tornado threat, see if that changed. Really no major changes, but they kind of enlarged the 2% tornado risk a little bit, so I think, yeah. But otherwise remain the same. So there could be a brief EF0, EF1, something like that. Cities in the black dashed area, the cities in the 2% tornado risk include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux City, Iowa, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Castle Bluffs, Iowa. Going to the wind threat, see if that changed. So, anyway, so yeah. So the 30% wind risk over here remains the same. The 30% wind risk here remains the same. However, the Storm Prediction Center has added 2 additional 30% wind risk areas for today. One covers southern Michigan, and another covers eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, northeastern Delaware, most New Jersey, and southeastern New York. So, so another change was to add 2 additional 30% wind risk areas. So, and another change was to add a second black dashed area across southern Michigan. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms today. Alright? Within these 2 black dashed areas, again, the black dashed areas are the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms today. But everything else remains the same. Cities in the black dashed area today include Detroit, Michigan, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Des Moines, Iowa. The 30% wind risk area today includes Philadelphia, areas, plural. So, the 30% wind risk areas today include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Omaha, Nebraska, Newark, New Jersey, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Cities in the 15% wind risk include New York, New York, Chicago, Illinois, Baltimore, Maryland, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Washington, D.C. The 5% areas today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Boston, Massachusetts, Nashville, Tennessee, and Kansas City, Missouri. So, and going to the hail threat, see if that changed. Really no change with the hail risk either. There's really no change with the hail risk, so I don't think I should go over the hail risk because it pretty much remains the same. So, in summary, a swath of damaging to severe gusts is expected across southern and lower Michigan over the next few hours. Scattered damaging gusts are also likely over portions of the Mid-Atlantic. Otherwise, scattered wind damage and large hail are still expected from parts of Nebraska and Iowa today. Isolated to scattered severe storms remain possible, extending eastward from the northern and central plains into the Midwest and Tennessee Valley. So, that is the update I want to give. Hopefully this is the Storm Prediction Center's last upgrade. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. Stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, no matter what risk you're in. And in case this threat goes into tonight, be sure to have a way of being notified for severe weather tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, to wake you up to go to your safe spot. And if you can, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night. So, Stay safe today and tonight, and I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook tomorrow morning. Take care.